Today, instead of an entire episode, it's just going to be a food feature. We're going to be talking about apples. Why do they brown? And why does lemon juice preserve them from browning? So why do apples brown? When an apple is cut open, there are enzymes called polyphenol oxidase that are released from the cells within the apple, and they react with the oxygen. This reaction causes the apples to brown, similar as when metal rusts. Almost all plants contain polyphenol oxidase, and it is believed to be a defense mechanism, because when something browns, a lot of predators don't want to consume it. This browning might also actually help the plant to heal, as it creates an antibacterial effect, preventing germs from destroying the plant any further. But why does lemon juice help preserve this browning? The lemon juice is full of ascorbic acid, or vitamin C. It also contains a very low pH level, so it's not very acidic. And this is what helps the apple from not browning. This ascorbic acid works because it reacts with the oxygen first before the oxygen can react with the polyphenol oxidase. However, once the ascorbic acid is used up, then the apple will start to brown as the oxygen can now react with the polyphenol oxidase in the cells of the apple. The low pH also helps with the apple not browning as quickly, as polyphenol oxidase works best when the pH is between 5 and 7. Once the pH level reaches below 3, however, the enzymes stop working, and with a pH level of 2, the lemon juice helps to combat this enzyme from actually doing anything. This means if you're not very fond of lemon juice, you don't actually have to use lemons. You can use any kind of fruit juice that has a pH level that is below 3, such as limes and oranges. Cranberry juice also has a low pH, as well as grapefruit and Concord grape juice, though their pH is not quite as low as lemon or lime, so it won't work quite as well, but it will still help to slow down the browning process. This half we'll leave as our controlled subject. Well, the half where you can see the seeds, we're going to put some lemon juice on there. We'll come back to this in 30 minutes and we'll see how they're doing.